Marcellus, right?
Okay, so,
Let me go back to where I was, so I can go from the beginning. So we went
Okay.
to classes or
so then we went to
grade?
classes first.
Alright,
Right, click on your class.
pick on whichever one.
Okay, so, yeah, right now it's showing you each student and where they are positioned, right?
Alright.
So right now, everybody's on a pretest except this one student right there. Okay, so if you want to move everybody in that classroom to a certain part of your lesson, you go to reposition students.
So that means that if they took the pretest and I want them to be here, it'll shoot them all the way to Texas Road?
Right. It'll skip them past that. Okay, so
Okay.
now the reason you could use it like this, let's say you was looking at the lessons, right?
So this is where everybody is right now?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's say you want to, let's see, I'm on. Let's say you notice that this person was struggling with such and such lesson, right? Then you can click on it and say, okay, well, what comes before that, and send them back if you needed to.
Okay.
And then when you do that, right, let's say that student was struggling so much that they just couldn't get past this one. Then you can go to mode and level it down for them, make it less rigorous, and see if that would help them.
But it's on 0 now, so.
Right, so
how-
0 is neutral, right? That would be like neutral.
Okay, so your
So that's
negative
like-
5 and negative whatever, that's what it would be?
It's just more. It'll tell it more to like for our resource students or something like that.
I'm saying, but the number in the middle would change to something, right? Oh, no.
It's just gonna be it's just the normal, less rigorous, and more rigorous.
Oh,
That's
so
the
it
only thing.
doesn't keep dropping down, it's just one drop
It's just
down.
one drop down, right?
Okay.
Mhm.
So
So that's how you like reposition individual students to like
to go back
Go
or to
forward.
push them forward.
right.
Okay.
Because sometimes like what you're teaching, like if you're teaching standards, sometimes your standards might not align with the way a subs has aligned. So you might want to skip them forward or skip them back like that.
So this is where they are.
Mhm.
Make sure I'm able to go back to where they were. My best classes. Pick my class.
Mhm.
Here is the class, and
Mhm.
then did I click reprovision?
Yes.
To get there.
To get there.
Just to-
Mhm.
This shows where they are right now. If I want her to go all the way back to
Step the pretest.
To the introduction or something.
Yeah, you
I
click
click
on that
on
and
it.
then hit update and then send it
update,
straight
it'll
to
send them there.
Right.
But if she was struggling and she was on unlimited and she needed to look back at types of rules
Right.
and bring it down for
You
both
could-
of these,
Right.
I would click. Would I have to click on each one and hit minus?
No, you just click on.
So
I
it
think
would-
once you hit minus, it's going
it
to
would-
keep it less rigorous until you change it back.
For all 180 steps.
Right.
183.
Mhm.
Okay. So now, okay, that makes sense. So, so you said you don't know about the special lesson part.
No, that's
Okay.
part I still got to work on because I didn't use that for my robotics
Because
class.
for my independent students,
Mhm.
I didn't want to put them in Google Classroom just to do something else, and then
Right.
feeling like, wait, why we got to do both?
Right.
But I can do it because I almost got the hang of Google Classroom where